Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to make a big text in Discord. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. From here, tap on Menu on your top right. Now, go to your profile. On scrolling down, you'll find the option of Appearance. Tap to open it. Here, increase the font size as much as you want by dragging this line. Also, turn on the option of Classic Chat Text Size. Once it is done, tap on the Save on your top right. As you can see, your font size has increased. Now type any message and send it to the server. You'll see an increased font size. If you do not like this bigger font size, you can go back to decrease it by following the same process. Here you can see your updated font size. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.